Morning, y'all. How's everybody doing this morning? This is Todd from Report Yourself. Guys, it's early morning. Got a little shower last night, yesterday evening. It's nice this morning, 71, 72 degrees. Supposed to get up to 90 today, but we got showers all day long, but it's sure a pretty day. Good day to cut up a little wood, feed the animals, cut the grass, all that good stuff that goes on with the homestead. Hope you enjoy everything that's going on today. I'll show y'all around. A little bit low that long there. It's got a big bud on the end. Do a little trimming. Nice little pile of logs. They got a little bit of everything in here. Plus that rooster keeps jumping in there. He likes to go in there and be with the biddies. I say the little young pullets and roosters now, they're all mixed up. Got some of them red sucklings. We got some guineas in there. And got some Swedish flowers in there. And one rooster. I have took him out again and again. If you notice there's no top on this pen, he can fly in there. He likes to be in here with all these. As long as he don't start messing with it, I guess I'm gonna leave him in there. Good morning, Reese. How you doing this morning? Guys, we had Reese A-eyed and Butterfly the same day. But Reese didn't take. I think Butterfly took. But Reese's been over there in the back along the edge of the field hollering every couple months for the bull. So I do not think she took. So we're gonna have to get her re-A-eyed. Everything's moving around right now. That nice little rain come in last night. Makes a difference. You notice it's got some roosters on the outside. What it is, guys, on these pens, there's some that I raised up. When I can make sure that they're roosters, I take them out of the pens with the hens. I leave just one in there. So we're gonna have a gumbo. I got roosters running around everywhere. Only problem with that is when you got one hen that gets out, it ain't good. Got too many roosters running around. So I'm fixing to thin them roosters out. I'm waiting for it to cool off a little bit, have a good gumbo. We got a chicken plucker, so it don't take long with that chicken plucker. I put them in some hot water, scald them a little bit, pull them out, put them in that chicken plucker, and it's done. You go through some roosters real fast. I ain't gonna show you what's going on over there. Them roosters, they don't cull nothing. Ducks, guineas, whatever, they're bad. They need to go in the gumbo. Let me show you the peacocks. Charlie, how you doing this morning? There's Charlie and his girls. Guys, yesterday. That's what I'm talking about. You got ducks, whatever comes running around, they gotta run for their life around here with all these roosters. Yesterday when it started raining, these peacocks had a blast in here. They were running and cutting up and having a good old time. It's been a while since we got some water. Finally got some good rain. Much needed. Notice the grass behind me, it's dying in a bunch of spots. It has been super hot and no rain. Finally got a little shower. It'd be a good morning to get the mower out. I don't like mowing when that dust flies everywhere. I got bad allergies and I go to sneezing and coughing and bad time. But after a rain, I can cut the grass and it doesn't bother me. So probably what I'm gonna do this morning, try to clean the yard up a little bit. Wayne's over there on the sawmill. We'll go check him out and see what he's up to. Somebody asked me on the channel the other day, why hadn't you showed the garden? I put on Facebook, on my Facebook channel, on my personal one. It's under Jeffrey Lejeune. That's my first name. But I put it on there. That's one of the biggest tomatoes I've ever grown. Now I'm gonna show y'all a peek of the garden and see why I'm not showing you the garden. Jared has been making cups, and when she's not down and sick, she's been making a bunch of cups for another YouTube channel. So she's not taking care of the garden. And I got too much going on. We've been taking care of my mama, trying to take care of this place. It's just a lot going on. Let me show you. That's the garden. That's my compost pile I need to go flip. It's got grass coming up in it too. The steeple got tore off of the greenhouse. It's got grass coming up in there. The garden is just full of grass right now, and the bugs are just taking over. But I'm gonna try to fly that drone around here and kind of show y'all what's going on. Butterflies in there eating. You see the grass, it needs to be cut, and it is growed in spots. Guys, I'm going to show you all the new addition to the family. This is Boudreau. This is a full-blooded Cocker Spaniel. He is 5 years old. We just got him from my sister. He is a trip. He is a very friendly dog, lap dog, but he can't handle the heat. He can't be left outside a lot. He's black, and he gets hot spots on him. See, my baby's behind me. You know, trying to turn it. That's all the grandbabies with the LSU football when they was young. He can't handle the heat outside, so we got him in the house. And my doggy door to go in the front yard is actually for a cat. It's Macy's doggy door. Macy's getting old, so we was gonna get us another dog. Macy can't see no more. She can't hear no more. She sleeps all the time. She gets up, she goes outside, uses the bathroom, goes eat, and she goes back to bed. So we got us another dog too. So we got two of them now. We got Boudreau and Macy. Macy's just a little Yorkie. She's a little sweetheart. But Boudreau tries to go through the dog door. He is too fat. He can't make it through the door. He actually tore the baseboard off the wall, scratching through the hole to get out through the doggy door because he wanted outside. So I got another doggy door ordered to get a little bit bigger one so he can go in and out. That way they can go outside and use the bathroom whenever they want. Them doggy doors are very nice. I like them. They're handy. But Boudreau is a trip, so he is a fat boy. It's kind of like me. Yes, Boudreau. He done made a home in that chair. Look at the toys he's got scattered around already. He's been going in the bedroom, getting the grandbaby's toys. He thinks he can play with them. There's Macy over there. And that's Mr. Boudreau. Are you bad, Boudreau? Are you bad? You're not bad, are you? Yes, he's wagging his little tail. right there. Got 2x6, gotta cut down. There's the scrap. Flip the boards over. 2x4s and 2x6s, 9 inches. Here's some short pieces out of there. Hope y'all enjoy. Catch you on next one.